Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to review the best home security cameras. Enhance your home security with the Baseus N1 2K HD2 Cam Kit. This powerful system offers crystal clear video, long battery life, and local storage without the need for a subscription. Key features: superior image quality. Capture every detail with 2K HD resolution and a wide 145 degrees field of view. Enjoy clear day and night vision, even in low-light conditions. Local storage and privacy. Securely store your video footage on the included 16 gigabytes eMMC storage, expandable up to 16 terabytes. Rest easy knowing your data is protected with advanced encryption and privacy certifications. Long-lasting battery. Enjoy up to 210 days of battery life on a single charge, thanks to the powerful 7,800 mAh battery. Smart motion detection. Receive instant alerts and snapshots when motion is detected, including human tracking for enhanced security. Flexible installation. The wireless design allows for easy placement anywhere around your home. Why buy this product? Complete home security. Cost-effective. Save money by eliminating monthly subscription fees. Reliable and durable. Enjoy long-lasting. Expandable system. Build a comprehensive security system by adding up to 8 cameras. Please follow and subscribe us for more videos.